In this support video, we will be replacing the Thermo control component switch that is located in all our dual ranges models that starts with 61 and 63. This video also shows how to replace a burnt wire leading to the thermos switch. A qualified technician is strongly recommended for this process. Start by first disconnecting the power supply and the gas line. Remove all the front control knobs. Remove all the screws holding the control knobs. Remove the holding screws under the control panel. Disconnect and remove all the knob rings. Locate the Thermo control switch. Remove the hold screws. Carefully remove the Thermo control switch. Locate and cut the burnt wire. Make a new wire connection to the electrical connector. Make sure it is well tightened. We recommend a crimp tool to fasten the wire. Replace the thermos control switch and attach the wires. This completes the installation.